Welcome to this tutorial on linked lists and file handling in C#. In this video, we're going to explore two important programming concepts: how linked lists work and how to handle file operations in C#. We'll walk through simple examples to help you understand how to manage dynamic data using linked lists and how to read from and write to files efficiently. Whether you're building a data structure from scratch or working with external data sources, this session will guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. Linked lists are linear data structures made up of nodes, where each node holds a value and a reference to the next node. They're ideal when you need to insert or delete elements frequently without worrying about memory resizing. On the other hand, file handling in C# lets you interact with external files, reading data, writing output, or even updating content on disk. A common example might involve saving linked list data to a text file or loading records into a list from an existing file. Together, these concepts allow you to work with data both in memory and in storage. Watch the video on how the linked lists work in C#. In this video, we covered how to implement and use linked lists in C#, how nodes are connected, and how to perform operations like insertion and traversal. We also explored file handling, opening, reading, writing, and saving data to and from files. By combining these two topics, we demonstrated how data can flow between memory and storage in a real-world scenario. You now have a solid understanding of both concepts and how they work together in practical applications. Thank you for watching this tutorial on linked lists and file handling in C#. We hope this helped clarify both concepts and showed how they can be used together in real-world tasks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more programming tutorials.